Just a small deal of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. I'll zoom in. Okay, these pieces are basically practice material. That's what it's been sold for. You can see there's a little colour bar. A lot bigger on that side. That piece doesn't look like it's got anything. Black potch with a bit of colour. There's a colour bar in there. A lot of this material is semi-crystal. That bit, I'll take that out. No, I'll just leave it in, but it's worthless. It's in the picture, so you get it. Just a bit of clay, that other piece. Anyway, there's a few interesting bits for you to ponder. Hope you've enjoyed.